Assalamualaikum everyone. It's night and suddenly the electricity goes out. Everything turns dark. Now let me share this simple eco lamp project.
What we don't realize is this waste oil can pollute water, clog drains, and harm the environment. Can something we throw away become something useful? Why is this important? This simple innovation can reduce waste, protects the environment, and provides an alternative light source. It can be especially used during power outages or outdoor activities. But most importantly, it changes the way we see waste.
This eco lamp proves that innovation does not have to be complicated. Sometimes innovation can simply be about seeing value where others throw away. From waste to light, from something useless to something meaningful.
Assalamualaikum everyone. I'm the parent to among the students here in Ubestari International School. I find that this oil lamp project does not only fulfill the academic needs, but most important, it increased awareness of the young children about the global SDG in environmental preservation. Keep up the good job. Thank you, teachers.